Start na tayo sa ating game, Roll and Read. It's Samuel versus Kylie. Let's start, Samuel. Go. Okay, number 5. Go, lakad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anong basa dyan? What? Very good. Okay, abot mo kay Kylie. Go. Number 5 din. Tagalin mo, RV. Yan. Sige, hakbang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anong basa? What? Very good. Next, si Samuel na. 2. Go. 1, 2. Anong basa dyan? D. Okay, next. 1. Okay. 1. Anong basa? Kylie? C. Okay, next. Samuel, go. Okay, 2. 1, 2. Anong basa dyan? Was. Very good. Next. 3. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, tayo sila. Anong basa dyan? Was. Very good. Next. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anong basa? Go. Very good. Next. Yan. Kylie, it's your turn. 5 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anong basa, Kylie? Go. Next. 1, 1. Anong basa dyan? Please. Okay. Next, si Kylie naman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anong basa dyan? On. Okay. Ayan, layo. Ayan. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anong basa dyan? Samuel, anong basa dyan? It. Very good. Next, Kylie. It's your turn. 1. Okay, anong basa? It. Tayo lang sila. Parehas lang po sila. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where? Kylie, ikaw. 1. Okay, ang basa ay stop. Next. Yan. 3. 1, 2, 3. Anong basa? Pencil. Okay, si Kylie. Pwede pang humabol. 1. Okay, anong basa dyan, Kylie? Must. Okay, let's see. Okay. Meron na po tayong winner. Congratulations.